Hello everyone, I'm Daira Castañeda, the host of this podcast. I'm 13 years old. My hobbies are listening to music and reading mystery books. Welcome to Global Debates. Today we will talk about what outer space is and why Mars is a habitable place for humans. This time we meet Margaret Pacheco and Juan Jose Alejo. Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Okay, let's do the presentations.
Yes, as you know, my name is Margaret. I'm 16 years old, and my hobbies are draw and paint.
As you know, my name is Jose. I'm 30 years old. My hobbies are play and draw too.
As I present myself, we can continue with the podcast. In this first podcast, we will give our opinions about these important topics of humanity. It's it is okay for you to start, Margaret?
Yeah, it's good for me.
Okay. First, let's start with a question that will be introduction of the topic. The question is, what is outer space?
It's a good question. According to some sources that I understand, outer space is a zone above the planet, exactly or an approximate, and 100 kilometers, where there is no appreciable air to breathe or to scatter light.
I like your definition, Margaret.
Yeah, it's a good definition of outer space. I would also like to share my definition, and it refers to the relatively empty regions of the universe outside the atmosphere of celestial bodies. Outer space is used to distinguish it from airspace and land areas.
I agree with your definition, Jose.
If you will excuse me, I will also like to intervene. I investigated too, and this is some extra information. Outer space is the atmospheric sky that surrounds the Earth. This place is cool and empty.
Oh, good information. I feel good to discuss this topic. I think it is interesting and important for the future to evaluate the possibilities of humanity.
I agree with you, and I also think it's an important issue. At this point, we will love to show the podcast that it's taking place in outer space, and then we will continue with the next question.
Oh, it's a video of other space. Wow.
It's so scary.
The other space looks so dark and mysterious. I don't know. It's a strange field. Um, yeah, it's interesting. Well,
We still have a question.
oh, it's okay, but we have to finish before the time's up.
I suppose that the question doesn't take us much time.
Yes, we will finish soon. The question is, why is Mars a sustainable colony space?
Okay, that's easy because Mars is the most similar planet to the Earth. For example, its solid contains water to extract, and it isn't too cold or too hot. And there's no sunlight to use solar panels. I don't know, but to be this possible requires many conditions have to live peacefully in the future, maybe.
It's a good and interesting question, and I think Mars is the best target for colonization in the solar system because it has by far the greatest potential for self-sufficiency.
Now, having concluded with these two questions, we will finish put the life from Mars.
Okay, that I see is Mars is and oh
I can see a lot of mountains.
yeah.
It looks like the Earth, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe in the future Mars can be the solution for the humanity. Maybe it can be the only solution for yes, yes.
Or it can be our second house.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're gonna continue.
Yeah. We have similar opinions and information over this topic that I see.
Yes, listen all the information and opinions. I have good definitions about this. It will be a pleasure to talk with you.
Yeah, for me too.
To end this podcast, what do you think about this topic? Do you agree or not?
Um, okay, as I said before, this topic is interesting but complicated and extensive. There are a lot of information in the web. It's just very hard to investigate about this. But to answer the other questions, I agree with this project because it means the future of humanity. It's a very important topic.
I agree because Mars may be a second chance of humanity in case the Earth is destroyed.
Well, in my opinion, I think it's an interesting topic too. Science, with this project on Mars, we will save humanity and start again. Apart from this, it will be great achievement of all us. We reached the end of our podcast. I hope you like it and see you until next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.